MoneyGram Access is a service that wallets, and these can be custodial wallets or non-custodial wallets, integrate into to give their users the ability to go into USDC using fiat. And so wallets integrate into MoneyGram Access. That what that means is that when the user goes into their wallet app, they see MoneyGram as a method for on-ramping or off-ramping. And so they're able to select that and then go through a flow. And at the end of the flow, they're ready to visit a MoneyGram location to either deposit or drop off fiat and see their USDC balance update in real time. Or if they've liquidated that balance, they can go and collect the funds in fiat at a MoneyGram location. And I think it's really powerful because we have capabilities in some countries to offer multiple currencies. And so, for example, in Poland, we support USD, zloty, and euro. And so you've effectively got, a US dollar balance that you can take into any foreign fiat currency very easily.